Hello, my friends. So, in this video, we're answering one of the questions in one of the groups: how to just upload the file to your Google Drive so you can work on it. So, when a customer want to give you some information, so this is a basic Google form, and again, we're just gonna make it the easier way. By default, it's capturing the email, so they will put the email, um, what you need completed. So again. In this one, this will be a multiple choice. So if you say analysis, review, whatever it is, you can click here this plus sign, and when it says multiple choice, click down, file upload, then continue, and then please upload your file here. You can decide what type of files. So let's say if you only want, if it's a docx, ppt, whatever file it is, you can force it to be specific file. If you only want one, or you allow more, or maximum size, the form will accept. Look at it right here. Form will accept up to a gig. You don't need to do anything else. Then you can change this to where you want it, the size. Let's go on here. You can view the folder where this is gonna land. So you can check the folder. And this is creating a folder based on the form name that you created. You see, all built in. And now all they have to do is publish your form. Anybody with the link, you publish it. And now let me just move myself out of here. This is the link that if you want to send it to someone. And the easiest way, let's go into this template funnel that I was working on. Let's say that you want to put it after in the confirmation page. You see upload the file right here, upload files. You click, go to paste your form link in there, open a new page, save. Then you can view it, and on your confirmation page, you can then, that will open to your ClickFunnels page, sorry, to your form. In that way, they can upload the file. There you have it, my friends. That's how simple you can then create a form so people can upload files to your Google Drive. We'll see you in our next video.